The Qutb Shahi Heritage Park in Hyderabad holds the legacy of a dynasty that shaped the Deccan for nearly 2 centuries. Over time, its monuments and gardens had fallen into neglect. Since 2013, the Aga Khan Trust for Culture has worked with the Government of Telangana to restore this 106-acre site. 86 monuments have been conserved. 6 historic stepwells now collect million liters of rainwater each year. More than 10,000 native trees have been planted, turning the park into a vital green space for the city. Traditional building crafts have been revived, over 1 million workdays created for local artisans, and one of the world's most significant medieval necropolis is given life. Today, the Qutb Shahi Heritage Park stands renewed as a place of history, worship, and community.